Science is real from the...
Hi, I was reading this book, Mr. Wizard's 400 Experiments in Science, and there's a taste test, and it says blindfold a friend and feed them something, but they have to be blindfold and plug their nose with a clothespin. And my question is, well, if I feed them like a juicy piece of steak, if I feed them that and to see if they can determine what it is without seeing or smelling it. The second step in the scientific method is do background research. I did some research with Mr. Ali's help about the taste and smell, one of the five senses. And this is what me and Mr. Ali have got. The abilities to smell and taste go together because odors from foods allow us to taste more fully. Take a bite of food and think about how it tastes. Then pinch your nose and take another bite. Notice the difference? It's just another reason to appreciate your knockout of a nose.
Bothering your brain?
My experiment is blindfold somebody and put like a clothespin on their nose and pinch it and feed them something and see if they can determine what it is. And my hypothesis is they're not going to get it because say I fed them something nice and like creamy, they could say, "Oh, this is." You're relying on three senses: your smell, your sight, and your taste. But in this test, two of those are just gone. You have to rely on taste, and three senses are better than one.
Knowledge, either simple or abstract. The factor is science. The factor is science. Science is real.
Okay, we're gonna start our experiment. Heidi is our first person.
Is it gross?
No, it's not gross.
Cereal.
What kind?
Cocoa Krispies. Not Cocoa Krispies, I don't know, maybe Wheaties? I have no idea what that is.
That's this, it's like cracker with banana on it. Some sort of cookie or something. Yeah, it's a cracker. Is it like I know it's like cereal, like Trix cereal.
Ready or not, here comes science.
The fifth step in the scientific method is analyze data. And over here at this graph we have our data. And I have the three foods, which were Cocoa Puffs, Pop-Tarts, and Candy Hearts. 2 people got Cocoa Puffs right, 3 got it wrong. Nobody got Pop-Tarts right. Everybody got Candy Hearts right except for 1. And I think they got Cocoa Puffs because it's the shape of it, it's all round, and I mean Cocoa Puffs are semi-sweet. And they were using their sense of touch with their tongue. I don't think nobody got Pop-Tart right because I think it has the textures of like many other foods like cracker, bread, and other grains. I think they got Candy Heart because they're sweet. It doesn't just cut off all your taste. It has a little bit left. And because the shape, texture, and I think how we could have done better in our experiment is if we mashed up the food, because then they would have a harder time. And this experiment led me to another experiment. What would happen if we would do a trial the same way, and then we would do another trial, but with their nose unplugged, and see how it would turn out. The sixth and last step in the scientific method is present your results. And I consider my hypothesis correct because more people got it wrong than people got it right.